Barry from Quicksilver here. My cool cinematic intro there with a car that needs no introduction, or shouldn't need any at all, maybe a little bit. It's the new Aston Martin DBX. This is a brand new car, and it is the first car with our Quicksilver Titan active valve sound architect sports exhaust system. Pretty good performance upgrade if you are wanting a little bit more noise from your wonderful Aston DBX. But I know nothing, so I'm going to speak to young Ben here in the driver's seat, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about what's strapped underneath. Hi Ben.
Hello. Hi there. How are we doing?
Yeah, good.
So we've basically developed a new rear section for this car. Titanium box, stainless tubing. It's currently using the OE valve function, so it's all plug and play, and it doesn't affect the emissions equipment. So you still keep the car's CATs and GPFs. Roughly, it's probably around 30 or 40% louder than the OE one. So it sounds great, more crackles. Deeper tone. It's not too boisterous. I think that suits the car.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love to hear it.
Yes, give us a quick rev. Let us know what you think of the car, the exhaust, the sound, and of course the colour. Some would say a McLaren sort of orange. I mean, who likes McLaren nowadays, eh? But nevertheless, let us know. I quite like it. Ben's not too sure on the colour. We both love the sound, so get in touch. See you later.